In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate in Figma. We'll keep this simple, clear, and practical, so you can follow along whether you're using the Figma desktop app or a browser. First, go to Figma and open a design file. You can create a new file if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing one where you want to practice. Once your canvas is visible, take a moment to zoom in to a comfortable level so you can see what you're doing. It helps to work on a clear area of the canvas or inside a frame if you're organizing your layout. Next, add a shape. Head to the toolbar at the top and pick a shape tool. Rectangle or ellipse are perfect for this demonstration. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the shape. If you want a perfect square or circle, hold Shift while dragging. You can also tweak the fill color, stroke, and corner radius in the right side panel so your shape is easy to see. Naming your layer in the Layers panel can be useful, especially when you're about to create copies. A clean layer name makes it easier to keep track of what's what. Now, to duplicate it, select your shape and press Ctrl-D. On Mac, that's Command-D. Figma instantly creates a copy in the same position as the original. You might not notice it immediately because it stacks directly on top, so try nudging the new copy with your arrow keys or dragging it aside to confirm it's there. Here's a helpful tip. Once you move your first duplicate, pressing Ctrl or Command-D again repeats that movement with the next duplicate. This is a quick way to create evenly spaced rows or columns without manually dragging each time. Keep an eye on your Layers panel as duplicates appear. You'll see new layers listed for each copy. If you want to keep things tidy, you can rename selected duplicates or group them after you've placed them. For precise spacing, use arrow keys to nudge by 1 pixel or hold Shift with the arrow keys for larger jumps. Figma's smart guides will also help you align duplicates to each other and to the canvas. That's all there is to it. Go to Figma, add a shape, and press Ctrl-D to duplicate. Practice a few times to get comfortable, and you'll find that this simple shortcut speeds up your workflow in a big way. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!